Hi everyone, my name is Dannielle and this is my culminating presentation about my practicum at Farm to School BC. I would like to respectfully acknowledge the Lekwungen people on whose traditional territory the University of Victoria stands and express my gratitude and appreciation to the unceded territories of the Tusuk Nation where I live and work. Farm to School BC is a program of the Public Health Association of BC and is supported by the Province of British Columbia and the Provincial Health Services Authority. Farm to School BC goals are to bring healthy and local sustainable foods into schools across British Columbia, provide students with hands-on learning opportunities that develop food literacy, strengthen the local food systems, and enhance school and community connectedness. Empower and support schools in building comprehensive farm-to-school programs. They do this through activities such as school and community gardens, growing microgreens, tower gardens, hot lunch programs, salad bars, native gardens, cooking classes, and many other things. My role at Farm to School BC was to work alongside the Capital Regional Community Animator, who supports the community to formulate and execute the vision of the Farm to School programs by providing grants and other supports from a network that includes a wide range of local partners from education, health, and agriculture sectors to the school communities. During my time at Farm to School BC, I was able to observe and participate in many aspects of the organization. Some tasks that I completed or participated in were grant writing, reviewing grant applications, program development, research, data entry, administrative tasks, decolonizing workshops, and survey analysis. During my program, I was able to work on both aspects of a grant process, applying for grants and evaluating grant applications. During this, one of the skills that I used was interprofessional teamwork. This skill supported the grant writing process by collaborating with different professionals on our team about what grants to apply for and contributing different expertise to the grant crafting process. Having different professionals work as a team created a community connection. It also pools resources, knowledge, and insight. Written communication was an important skill in my practicum since we communicated often through email and shared qualitative data and reports and worksheets. I used this skill during my evaluation of the grant applications to record both quantitative and qualitative information. My written communication of the qualitative information needed to be clear, concise, and correct so that the school's information was properly expressed to the staff that would be distributing the grants. I was able to practice and strengthen my verbal communication since we often communicated through Zoom with other organizations. I experienced that communicating effectively saved time and produced higher quality work. Collaborative action across all sectors. This public health and social policy value stood out to me during my practicum. There are many organizations within this sector that all have the same goals, but have a different way of approaching them. Working collectively or collaboratively with other organizations increases the depth of knowledge and creates a larger impact on the community by identifying and addressing a complexity of needs, building capacity, and coordinating approaches. I chose number 63, call to action, because implementing food systems into schools not only directly impacts health through food literacy and food security, it provides intercultural understanding, empathy, and mutual respect through learning to care for the land, learning Indigenous names of plants, learning about traditional foods, and this learning can be transferred from the garden to the classroom about the impacts of colonialism on Indigenous people, land, and food systems. The most meaningful part of my practicum was experiencing how learning can be implemented into a career that I feel passionate about, and having the opportunity to connect with the community that I want to pursue a career with. I also strengthened my confidence in my abilities to apply academic knowledge in the workplace. And I learned that I have the capability to be a professional in this field. I would like to thank my practicum supervisor, Marcus Lobb. I approached Marcus out of the blue for this practicum, and he not only created a placement for me at the last minute, he also put a lot of effort into making sure I was getting a variety of experiences and learning through different activities and programs. I would also like to thank everyone I worked with at Farm to School BC and their partnering organizations for welcoming me and making me feel part of the team. And I would like to thank my instructors at UVic and my classmates for being encouraging and supportive through my learning process. Thank you, everyone.